Have you ever looked at React code and you've always wondered, what is this? Is this JavaScript? Is this HTML? Well, it's really JSX, and today we're going to dive deep into exactly what JSX is and why you should be using it. What's up 10x devs? If you've ever dabbled in React, or maybe you've been in your local coffee shop and you've seen developers coding, you've probably seen JSX. Well, today we're going to dive a little bit deeper on the importance of JSX and why it's used in React. Stay tuned because I have some bonus tips for you shortly as well. Think of JSX as the love child of JavaScript and HTML. Think of them as mixing pancakes with syrup. Yeah, pancakes is good on its own, syrup is good on its own, but when you mix them together, wow. JSX allows you to write HTML elements and tags inside of JavaScript. It's basically the perfect blend for modern web developers. Because of JSX's more declarative way and reusability, it's perfect for React and is used in React most. JSX is particularly well suited for creating reusable UI components. Each JSX element typically represents a component or a part of the user interface. Imagine having to create each HTML element separately, then appending all of them in JavaScript. It sounds tedious, right? Well, that's because it is. JSX provides us a way to do this way easier. JSX is more, as we say, declarative, which means you just kind of tell JSX what to do, like, hey, this is this, and then it just does it for you. You don't have to tell it step by step how to do it. So it makes it a lot more easier on the developer and more smooth and seamless during the development process. Also, with the HTML-like syntax of JSX, it's a lot easier for developers just to kind of pick it up right away and start using it than other things that might be similar and do this kind of same thing as JSX. But JSX is just kind of hard to beat because of the fact that is so developers are so used to HTML already, and all they have to do is throw in a little JavaScript now and make things work. Some key features I want to mention of JSX that I find very important is definitely its embedded expressions, which allows for you to basically type curly brackets and allow for you to start implementing JavaScript right there inside your JSX in the middle of your HTML. It's very useful, especially if you're trying to have some conditional rendering or something of that sort. I also want to mention its component creation. So the component creation is a really seamless and easy, and I think that it's actually a huge part in JSX because you actually can put different pieces and different components together to create more bigger components. And it's kind of like Legos. A little bonus tip for you guys, I want you to always remember to close your component tags. And so it might seem like, oh yeah, of course, it does that for me. Well, sometimes people forget and it throws a bug, and you'll see, I'll show you exactly right here what happens when you don't close them. So this is a close tag, and this is not a close tag. When we save it, everything crashes, and it'll show you expression expected, and it says caused by syntax error, and it'll kind of point around the area where it happened. All you have to do is just add a forward slash, and it should fix that problem. We'll save, and boom. This is a little tip I want to hand over to you guys, especially the ones who are new with React. Alright, 10x devs, I appreciate you watching. If you learn anything about JSX, please leave a like on the video. Don't forget to join the Discord in the description down below, where we teach people all the time how to break into web development and coding. And also subscribe. Don't forget to follow me over on Kick, where I live stream Monday through Friday. Also, don't forget to catch me in this video right here, where we're talking about some more coding stuff so we can keep advancing and learning, hopefully breaking into tech or land that dream job. And if you needed to add anything, or maybe I left something out about JSX, please add it in the comments down below. I'll be looking for you guys, and I'll catch you over in that video right now.